Met a young bloke by the Yarra where the trams rolled through the rain. He said, mate, you're scared of shadows. Words don't carry ball and chain. He turned his phone around between us like the answer waited there. Look it up, it's just economics. Tell me what there is to fear.
I said words can name a bottle, they can't tell you what you drank. Call the poison Sunday dinner, it won't thank you when you sink. You can call a chain protection, you can paint a prison white, but changing what we call a thing doesn't change the thing inside. There's the word and there's the deed, it's what sounds good and what it means.
Oh, the dictionary won't save you
when the words are wearing thin.
You can paint a lock as freedom,
doesn't mean it lets you in.
you can call the fire mercy,
it'll burn you just the same.
when the truth comes through the doorway,
it won't stop to ask its name.
no, the dictionary won't save you. Every morning someone's welding, someone's pulling on their boots, someone's opening up the bakery, someone's planning winter roots. Someone writes a line of code out, someone drives the midnight road. Every thought that turns to something carries someone's life and load. So don't tell me work is separate from the freedom of a man. Time is all that life has given, work is time held in your hands.
If you own the hours, own the scars, surely something that they make is yours.
Oh, the dictionary won't save you
when the words are wearing thin.
You can paint a lock as freedom,
doesn't mean it lets you in.
you can dress control as kindness,
you can give the chains new names,
but the truth beneath the language
keeps on stubbornly the same.
no, the dictionary won't save you. Then he pointed north to Sweden, said, well, mate, explain me that. People build and trade in Stockholm, own the shop and own the flat. Saying beneath our southern sunrise, from the mine gate to the farm, from the plumber out at daybreak to the girl who runs the bar.
There's an old horse pulling freight there, muscle underneath the load. Don't mistake the leech upon him for the reason that he goes, for the reason that he goes.
First a letter, then a warning,
then a number you must pay,
then an audit,
then a summons,
then a court decides the day.
then a knock comes at the doorway.
If you still refuse the call,
A law is more than words on paper,
there is force behind it all. And there's a world of difference between the hand that guards your door and the hand that comes to take from you what you worked your lifetime for. Could be told, give your time and give your money,
raise a roof or share your bread.
kindness freely given means something
That compulsion never can.
I'll help you when you're hurting,
You do the same for me.
But a favor with a fist behind it
Isn't generosity. Let me choose, let me give, let me build, let me live. Oh, the dictionary won't save you.
when the words are wearing thin.
You can paint a lock as freedom.
Doesn't mean it lets you in.
You can call the fire mercy.
It'll burn you just the same.
Truth was true before we named it. Truth remains when names have changed. Oh, the dictionary won't save you.
When the promises all break
There's a line between compassion.
and deciding what you'll take.
So I'll keep the right to build here.
And I'll grant the same to you,
We can trade and give and differ.
like free people ought to do.
No, the dictionary won't save you,
The word can hide a chain.
but it can't make the chain go away.
No, the dictionary.
Won't save you.
No.
No, the dictionary won't save you.